Hey, it's Susanna, and today we're going to talk about some helpful tips for how to incorporate exercise into your life. The American Heart Association recommends that adults get 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic exercise per week. It can help you sleep better, lower your blood pressure, improve your cardiovascular health, and help you maintain a healthy weight, as well as improve your mood. Some examples of moderate intensity workout include gardening, swimming, water aerobics, biking, or going for a walk. It's best if you can spread out this 150-minute benchmark throughout your week rather than knocking it all out in one go. This could look like walking for 21 minutes every day, or if you're not able to squeeze in a walk every day, you could go for a 30-minute walk 5 days a week. Walking is one of the easiest ways to incorporate aerobic exercise into your routine because it requires no equipment and can be done anywhere. Here are some tips on how to make walking even more enjoyable and an activity you'll look forward to. Map out a walking route that you feel excited about. See if there are any paths or trails in your local area. If you're excited about the scenery, you'll be excited about the walk too. Try finding a friend or family member to walk with you. Not only is this great for your health, but it will boost your mood and is a great way to catch up with a friend. Another tip is to find or create playlists with music you enjoy listening to. You can find many pre-made playlists on applications like Spotify, Apple Music, or Pandora, or try creating your own for something unique. You might also try exploring podcasts. These are available for free on any smartphone or tablet. Using the podcast app, you can explore lots of different categories, including news, comedy, or even true crime. Try exploring these different tips and see which ones are most enjoyable for you. There's no right or wrong way to go about your exercise routine. It's whatever gets you excited to get out and move. Thanks for tuning in.